Okay, so they give us the graph of y equals 1/2 x squared plus x minus 9/2, and they show it over here. And they want to know, when is this equation 1/2 x squared plus x minus 9/2 equal to 3? Well, really, and this is a question that a lot of people misunderstand at first, but once you understand what they're asking, you'll see it's really a pretty simple question. What they're saying is, we want y to be 3. We take 3 and plugged it in right there for that y. So we're just going to come over here and we're going to look at this graph, and we're going to see where y equals 3. So here's y equals 3. We go over. Looks like one answer is x equals 3. And then the other answer would be over here. When y equals 3, it looks like x is -5. So your two answers would be -5 and 3. And that's all there is to that one. So they're giving you the y number, and you're just supposed to look at the graph and find where that hits that y number. For this other question, solve using the intercept on your graphing calculator. All right, so here's my calculator. I'm going to type in the left-hand side of the equation. 2x squared minus 5x minus 7. I type that in as y1. And y2, I type in the right-hand side of the equation. Minus x plus 2. And then I graph. Oops, bad window here. Actually, it's not too bad. I can see where they cross, but let me change it to zoom 6. So what we're looking for is we're looking for the spots where the two graphs cross. The parabola is the left-hand side of the equation, and the line is the right-hand side. To solve using our calculator, we go into this calculate menu, and we use the intersect option. And it asks us, is this the first graph? And that's the left-hand side. Yep, we hit enter. Is this the second graph that you want to use? That's the right-hand side. Yep, we hit enter. Make a guess. We get close to either this one or that one. It doesn't matter which one. I'll do this one first, I guess. And I hit enter. And it says round your answer to 2 decimal places. So we only need the x number here because our equation only has x's. So we would have x equals -1.35. And then we would do the same thing again. We would just make our guess different. So it asks, is this the first curve? Yes. Is that the second curve? Yes. This time we would come over here and guess, and we would get x equals 3 point, what's that say, 25, I guess. I don't need the 2 decimal places. All right, hope those help. Let me know if you have more.